Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. His Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced an end to his tyrannical non-movement days in the island of Jamaica. And that's what we're going to discuss today, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit the red subscribe button and become part of the Rasta panel. Ladies and gentlemen, you heard me right from the beginning. The tyrannical rule of Sir Browgard seems to be dwindling as the Prime Minister has announced an end to his non-movement tyrannical restraint on the Jamaican population. He says he will be abandoning the non-movement days, but will be restricting the people still on nightly curfew starting Friday, October 29. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a bombshell news. It seems like the Brow God is losing the grip on the people. The other day, there were a non-permitted march planned as the police sent their edicts and warning to the people to refrain from being free. You are gonna take, because everybody could be free except for we. Okay, the measures will remain in force until December 10th. So them are going to free up the people them a little bit from October 29, which is coming Friday, till December 10th. Before the holiday start, them are going to lock them back down. However, a review by the Cabinet Subcommittee and monitors the coordination of the pandemic will meet 3 weeks to review situation. The Prime Minister said that if the COVID-19 numbers continue to trend the right direction, there could be more good news. Well, thank you, bro God, for letting me outside to go play. Auntie darling, can Toya come outside and play? Bro God said we can't go outside now. Imagine a long time outside me there. Long time. No matter. Outside me there. However, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister has announced that the public gathering limits will remain at a maximum of 10 people. Them man ya clown or them want get drowned. 10 people. What kind of public gathering that? When me there Santa Cruz, 100s me see. When me go top office, 100s me there. When me go a bank, 100s me see. In and out, NCBJ and Scotia, it no matter, tax office full. How you there, bro, God? Asleep, I dream. We not listen nothing what you say long time. He also announced the following. Places of worship are permitted to allow a maximum of 50 members. Physical presence for worship service, he gone up by 20 because he used to be 30. Even the events that are staged by public entities are allowed to invite no more than 50 people who must be vaccinated. Me rotted. Them do this very often. I style poor people. Listen, you feel live your life free. Don't listen to none of them people here. Just make sure you're safe and eating healthy. Them people here take people them full. Them says that funerals, burials will continue as before. In the case of funeral, a maximum of 20 people including mourners and clergies are allowed, while no more than 15 people are at the burial site, including those individuals preparing the grave site. Burials are allowed from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Imagine that. Bro God done lost his MF mind, ladies and gentlemen. And the people them still following his regulation. I broke everybody if he broke the law. You are gone tea. Cause when me dear Santa, when me dear Galderville, when me dear Wharf, when me dear Mobile, when me dear Town, I see places that are not following it. Everybody we are collect money for the government. No, Father, I don't know where bro God I say. I just the little people them who have to travel in the taxi. They're working them evil on them, ladies and gentlemen. You hear what me I say? It's been about 2 years of enslavement. What the people them lock me down and me can't go get no sun. Me can't go a party, go drink no rum. Me have to stay at the bar. Unbelievable. Me give thanks for my cousin them. Box some money, big up yourself. Audrey, big up yourself. Marlene, you know, say every night we have to fall in. Call in the people them who love them freedom. Because bro, God a go on like him is a tyrannic dictator. You understand what me I say? As America sneeze, bro, God catch the flu in Jamaica. I true them say America free up the thing. People are marching in New York. People are marching in Australia. People are marching in Italy. But don't matter what you do, people. These governments are working together worldwide to try to control the movement, to monitor everywhere you go. They even want to know what you think. They are predicting your next movement every day. And the United States, China, England, and all the large companies and countries are in on this. And bro, God has sold out the people for the tyrannic rule of the Eurocentric Hitler-minded people. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't have no freedom left in the world no more because all the governments has ganged up on the regular population of the country. Bro, God has sold us out for facial recognition and digital tracking with nanobots, ladies and gentlemen, and voice recognition. Jamaica no free no more. My people no free no more. All they do is put a few descendants of the slave masters in power. Some light-skinned people will hold you down every second, every minute, every hour. Yes, I told me I tell bro God, you have bowed to the tyrannical system of China and the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give him a little break, but me want enough to understand what I'm reporting. The bro God, the tyrannic Prime Minister of Jamaica, has stated that he is kind of bending the rules a little bit, breaking under pressure. He will be stopping the non-movement curfew in this weekend, Friday, October 29, on all the way till December 10. Please, people, don't rise the crime too much because they're going to use it as an excuse for lock on no back down before the ice must. But you realize them are go around the holiday and the holiday because them realize that the people them overstand to appear. Every they've been doing all this time, folding up the children's, folding up the elders them, and drinking up the blood from all the people and suffering the youth. Like trying to say a Babylon invent crime. You are guarantee. Speaking what's on my mind, I'm Rastafari Soldier bringing in your news, telling you the truth. His honorable dictator, bro God, Andrew Holness, ONPV, has decided that his tyrannical rule is breaking the country apart. And he will have to allow them figure outside effective Friday, October 29th until December 10th of 2021. Hooray! We can go out and play right now. Thank you, bro God. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Deep Roots TV reporting that the Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness, aka the God of the Jamaican Caribbean, bro God, has decided he will release the subjects and will not have non-movement days because people still a move. You don't have enough people to stop with from move, brother. People still a move. So you realize. See, I idiot this happen. You realize. So we not listen to you. We not listen to you. You have to listen to the big man. Pay the big man them. Yeah. But we not listen to you, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button. Yeah. On this channel. So you could be a part of the Rasta panel. I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And most of all, thank you for leaving your comment. Are the best part, I think. So we can interact with you. Yes, my queens. And yes, my kings. More life, more joy, more in happiness. Go away from yes, bro God. I lock down the people them like say a union. Hit it up. You see who you learn from? Your dictator masters. More life, people. More joy. I hope you no vote out that fool, you know. I hope you no vote him out. But again, my people are not wiser. Anyway, you know, get the stick pan Johnson and Jason and Pfizer and even Moderna. Up, 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 up. Big up on yourself, my family. Big up all of St. Elizabeth, all over South, Slipe, Cornwall District, Cornwall P Office, Spy. Bro, God say my release week. So, not too go on too bad. Yeah. Big up the real bro God. Yeah.